Pomni, run! What's Kane up to? Whatever it is, I don't like that look in his eye. Hey, isn't Pomni gonna need all that? Oh, never mind. She's a cat. Wait, she's a cat! Well then, let's make her a paw print. Personalize it with her name on top. Pour on some nice liquid glue. Now everyone will know your name. It's even hard for Pomni dolls these days. Oh, let's see how you like it, Kane. Now, why don't we help you out? Let's start with a quick look inside. This abstract stuff sure gets everywhere. Let's toss it and give her a real heart. Now patch her up. It's almost time for her wash. Add toothpaste and rinse her off. Ah, doesn't she look much better? Oh, look, Pomni Cat. It's a banana. And I think she's got a surprise for us. We're getting some baby bananas. Mommy banana needs a checkup. Ooh, I think it's almost time. Aw, what a little cutie pie. Try some pineapple for vitamin C. Oh, Kane's got a toothache. Pomni to the rescue. Here's the problem. You ate too many bugs. What else did you get stuck in there? Ooh, look, there's a Roblox doll in here. It could use some toothpaste too. Some brushing wouldn't hurt either. But remember, you're never fully dressed without a smile. And speaking of getting dressed, now add a glove too. Tie it into place like a mermaid's tail. Now spread some liquid glue over it. And cover it all up with glitter. This mermaid's going places. Her own tank. Okay, Kane, you wanted your own cat, so it's your job to feed her. That's all? This isn't a less is more situation. That's more like it. There's even a prize. It's a candy unicorn. No, it's not made of candy. You gotta fill it up with candy. And if you press its rainbow tail, you get a few treats for yourself. They're bite-sized, so have a few bites. Pomni's found some buried treasure. It's a doll. With a weird helmet, too. Nothing a little water won't fix. You know, I'm kind of digging the bald look. But why don't we experiment a little? With some new gummy stick locks. Wow, now doesn't she look sweet? Just in time for her big date, too. Uh-oh, I told you she looked sweet. Watch your step, Kane. Falls right around the corner. It's okay, Big Cane. Have another doll. We'll just need to clean it up first. Let's see what's in this block. Beads! I wonder what else is inside here. It's a jaw. Let's clean it up. We need to brush and maybe floss. Now it's part of our new cane doll. I think Jimmy needs a new agent. Could have told you pigs can't fly. Don't worry, Pomni's here to help. Jimmy doesn't need this. So let's make it into pasta. Now take it and make it into our old pal A. Just in time for our play date too. Pomni, something's wrong with your little mini-me. We gotta blast this big old bump. What's inside? Oh look, another A! You can never have too many A's, especially when it's report card day. And this one goes right on your pencil. Wow, this glue sure is sticky. But the real special surprise comes when you make a mistake. This A's your handy-dandy eraser. Wow, Pomni, what did you eat? Oh, such a waste. Next time, empty out a red cup. Place a straw on top and maybe a handsome face. Now keep your candy safe on top. Here, Pomni, want the first lick? Silly mouse, you can run, and I guess you can hide too. Don't worry, Kane's got a new toy for you. Ooh, multifunctional. Look at it go. But it still needs a few attachments. And let's really get things cooking. We'll start with a little light show. Now it's time for a light lunch break. And now the fun can really begin. Let's lay this shirt out and hope for the best. You're not mad, right, Pomni? Well, now she is. It's okay. Grab a glove and add some glue. Draw some dots and squiggly lines. Once it's dry, you can wipe off all that fuzz. And it works great on cats, too. Don't play rough, Jax. He's really a softie. Pomni's got some powerful paws. This bucket will come in handy in more than one way. Add some glue and cover with twine. Once it's covered, add a lid on top. We didn't forget about you, Jax. And here, Pomni. Give those claws a real workout. I guess every queen needs her throne. Huzzah! The circus is in town! Let's start with a little light show. It's not much, but you know Kitty's a fan. Let's see where it leads us. A curtain? What's behind it? A book about the digital circus. Look, there's a door. It's locked. And a gift. Pomni! Ooh, and she's got something for you. It's a key. Now we can open the door. Guess there was a reason it was locked. But this kitty's got cat scratch fever. It's Kane, the toothsome ringmaster. He doesn't look too good. Let's call him an ambulance. Ooh, that was quick. Cue the sirens. The kitty doctor will see you now. Nighty-night. Ooh, I think we found the problem. Let's extract all that slime. And that bug. I think we should keep digging. How deep does it go? Now Kane should be feeling like a new AI. Oh, a ribbon! Let's catch it! Oh, poor Gangle! She's all in pieces! Let's help. We can start with a brand new mask. Ooh, an A! Well, at least the colors match. But maybe we should try something else. It's Kaufmo! Well, in happier times. No, let's try again. Third time's the charm. Gangle's happy face. Just what we needed. Wow, Pomni's got her very own personal food court. You should really try chewing. Want fries with that? No? Are you full? Oh no! Her teeth need fixing up! Much better. Now they'll need a good brushing. Get scrubbing. And how about a little tooth gem? Ooh, a mystery bag. I wonder who's inside. They're a blank slate. Let's fix them up. Congratulations, it's a girl. Now let's choose an outfit. No, not that. A jester's costume? Looks kind of familiar. Now for hair. This one comes with a hat. And look, it's our old pal Pomni. I wonder who these are. It's E. And Hello Kitty. And Ragatha. But she doesn't look too good. Let's comb her hair for her. Now for a quick facial. That takes care of those blemishes. Now a cute button for that eye. And let's fix up those bangs too. The final touch, a cute bow on top. Wow, now that's a work of art. And just look what's inside. We can make all sorts of things with all these shapes. Why don't we try to put all these pieces together? And soon, we've made our old pal Zooble. Looks like it's time for the magic act. A water bottle? And look, we've got ourselves a real one. Let's pour it out. And put the square in for a surprise. Look, it's Jax! And he's out of that box. Let's give this circus a round of applause. Today's the big day. It's Kitty's birthday. You're gonna need a birthday cake. Just one suited to a more feline palate. Still, all the best cakes have sprinkles. And a birthday candle to blow out. Happy birthday! Make a wish, Kitty! Open your present. It's a Roblox doll. I think we need to clean her up. At least she'll smell minty fresh. We'll say it's that new peppermint perfume. Now let's turn her frown upside down. Some clothes and hair should help too. Now cover her legs with the glove. And tie up all those loose fingers. Pour on some glue, spread it out, and it's time for glitter. Keep it coming. Our little mermaid could use a dip in the pool. It's Kitty's favorite vowels. Oh no! At least we still got I, O, and U. But maybe we can fix them up. Now let the magic potty do its thing. Aw, they've never been closer. Keep them on the ground this time. Time for a guessing game. Pick one. Oh, you won a unicorn! A candy unicorn! Just feed it some melted chocolate. And soon, you get a few surprises. Cute little bite-sized pieces of candy. Oh, you got a fish! So grab an old Barbie bed. And with a few adjustments, it's a new tank. Of course, we can't forget the water. What else is our fish gonna swim in? And look, these fish come in a pair. Love is in the air. Water. Look, a sand ducky! Oh, now it's just sand. How would you like a marshmallow ducky instead? They go great in a cup of hot cocoa. Especially when it's all blue like this. Look at all the candy! You hit the jackpot! Oh no! Your lollipop! It's okay, we've got more. And this time, we'll be ready. Our new tiger friends got your back. And, more importantly, your candy. Next, it's your favorite, toothpicks. So, anyone up for 52 pickup? But next time, let's keep them in here. Now, when you need a new toothpick, our new bird friend can pick it up for you. And you can go back to making stick houses. Wow, look at all those bubbles! But we're just getting things started. It's a bubble machine. Press play and watch it go. I think Kitty's a fan. And he's not the only one. Look who's here. It's Jimmy the pig. He doesn't look too good. Don't worry, we can fix him up. Oh, wait a minute. I see the problem. He's got a smaller pig inside him. Looks like he's got something inside him, too. It's a tiny gray mouse. The gifts just keep coming. Speaking of which, you got a new dumpling maker. Knead the dough, and don't forget your favorite filling. We can make as many as we want. And we can even try out a few new flavors. Yeah, he prefers sweet to savory. Just make sure you pick the right one. Now let's make Kitty a brand new friend. And I think he'll be a good influence. Unless, of course, Kitty gets to him first. Of course, Kitty can always make his own friends. Let the soap harden. Flip it over. And help our new friend put his face on. Aw, what a bright little guy. Look, you got a card. And it's got money. With all this cash, it'll be like your birthdays every day. After all, think of all the crafts we can do with them. Cut out a bunch of hearts and fold them all together. Make it into a circle, and it's a brand new toy. Fun like this is truly priceless. Look, Kitty, a cup with all your favorite letters. Not impressed? How about we take some foil? Add some clay. And add a few finishing touches. Look who's here, our old pal A. Aw, they're already best friends. Ooh, berries! Hey, don't play with your food. And keep your paws to yourself. Ugh, what a mess. Next time, just use the micro mixer. All you do is push a button. And there's no mess to worry about. Let's pour this mix into a bowl for our kitty cat friend to enjoy. Ooh, a balloon! Careful, your claws! Well, at least we still got the duck. Maybe we can still use the balloon. Drop a surprise inside and a whole lot of water. Freeze it and it'll survive any cat scratch fever. Of course, Kitty still wants the prize inside. I think there's time for one last present. It's a mini projector. Just put it together. Dim the lights, and Kitty's the star of the show. Well, look who just caught a fish. He's gonna need a place to stay. It could use a little decor. Some personal touches. Oh, and water. Our fishie's got a new forever home. If you're wondering why Kitty's practicing taking care of others, she's having kittens. She's gonna be a mommy. Careful, the bugs are out. And some stings. Don't cry. This pump should help. And that's not all. Get the full lips you always wanted. Those duck lips are the cat's meow. Uh-oh, she's gonna need some TP. I don't think those are gonna cut it. A cat figurine? Well, grab a pop tube. And it could be the perfect TP holder. Wow, this cat's on a roll. Or is it the other way around? Of course, cats prefer the litter box. After all, it doubles as a sandbox. Add some glue and beads, and those paw prints will last forever. It's important to hydrate. But this special cup needs a special straw. 2 grimaces, but they're all smiles. And look, he even plays peekaboo. Well, that's one way to split a hot dog. It's okay. She's got a backup lunch. With a plastic bag cover, you can even cook ramen on a book. And if you keep the book close, you can have a private picnic. Oh, berries don't get any fresher than this. Uh-oh, let's clean those braces. Our little green friend should help. Now squirt out some toothpaste. An electric brush does the work for you. Especially when your cat lends a paw. Guess even cats need to eat on the go. Does someone want another cat? But our little cat mama can help you make friends. Make a mask. Now grab a toilet paper roll. And place it on the back. Now we need some finishing kitty touches. Those eyes! It's like one of those clocks! Well, minus the clock. Fall is in the air. Make that hair! Hey, if you want to play with hair, you should give this guy a try. He can grow as much as you want him to. And then you can cut it down to size. Ooh, did you cut off too much? Well, nothing a few extensions can't fix. Wait till we get to mustaches. Guess not every puss likes to wear boots. Here's an idea. Take some water. Spray in some aerosol paint. And give those booties a dip. Ooh, they're rainbow colored with little kitties on top. Hey, watch your step! After all, you're not the only one with dirty paws. Actually, that gives me an idea. We can spray on some color over shapes. You get a cool design, and it covers stains with the power of a rainbow. Oh, but we're not done just yet. Aw, what a cute family album. Wait, how'd that get in there? Let's rethink this album. Grab some ice cream sticks and make a Ferris wheel. Now the pictures will go around and around and around and around. And you can even spin the wheel. Oh, poor Dolly. She's half the girl she used to be. Don't worry, we can rebuild her. By which I mean, make her a kitty. Too bad Mom's not a cat person. Poor kitty. And she's not the only one. Don't worry, you're coming with us. Just gotta sneak past Mom and done. Now let's make some space for you. You'll have the closet all to yourself. But it can still use some customization. Why don't we make an opening to make you your own kitty door? And with some toothbrush bristles, it's great for a quick brush. Now let's roll out the carpets. And this remote car can be a 5-star delivery service. And a plastic bottle's great for holding dry food. Put it somewhere your cat can get it. In case it wants a midnight snack. Next up, we're gonna need some hair. Barring that, string or rope is fine. Either way, wrap it around a plastic pipe.
Yeah.
Oh, but where to put it? Oh, make a hole. Put it through and add more pipes. Soon you'll have a massive scratching post. And we can decorate with our favorite plush toys. Always great to lend a hand or two.
Yeah! Woohoo! Huh?
With cats, toilets are basically drinking fountains. So let's make sure it's got clean water. Now grab a pop tube and roll on some paper. After all, every toilet needs TP. Hey, where'd all this cotton come from? Don't worry, we can fix him. But we can make him even better by filling him up with treats. Look how easy it is to dispense. And with a few adjustments, it's also a seat. Ooh, candy. Ooh, slime. Two great things, just not together. So let's add catnip instead. Our little friend here will hold it, while your cat takes a few licks. Wow, what an amazing toy! Plop a little ball inside, and you can fold it into new shapes. Even with the ball still inside. Ooh, there's a bulb on the fritz. Well, we can still use the empty glass. Ditch the wire and fill with water. Add some cardboard and a phone, and you've got yourself a new video projector. Guess we can spare this plushie now that we've got the real thing. Drill some holes. Add cat-friendly seeds and water. This toy's got a brand new dew. And your cat gets a quick nibble. Next, slice up a big plastic bottle. Add some twine on the sides to make handles. And add something soft. Hang up a tiny kitty hammock with a special surprise inside. Ooh, where'd that red dot come from? I think it wants to show us something. Wow, a cat treat gadget. Let's take it for a spin. Look, it's cat treats all around. For your cat, it's dinner and a show. What the? Ugh, how'd a bug get in here? It's okay. Take some cardboard. And we can make some kitty cubbies. It'll keep your cat's favorite things safe. Which, naturally, are mostly just food. Just make sure to close it up. Of course, cats are also partial to balls of yarn. So, lay down some yarn, hot glue some sticks, and lay them down like a bridge. Hook it up. Let's test it out. Now that's what I call sturdy.
Oh.
Sushi. Let's make our own.
Yeah!
Black for seaweed, white for rice, and yellow for egg. And add your favorite fillings. Now roll it up and start slicing. But it's not for eating, it's for hanging up.
Huh?
Hey, how'd that get in there? Well, we can use it to attach these pipes. Once it's secure, we can hook it up too. Ooh, look at that hair. Oh, inspiration strikes. Let's add color. And make a bunch. It can give the lamp the cozy cover it needs. Just add some finishing touches, and our cat closet's almost ready. It's time for our new feline friend to explore their new pad. You must be this cute to go through. Careful now, there's a detour. Oh, there's so many things to play with. And even fun things to eat. Hey, being cute is thirsty work. This sushi sure looks like fun. Let's take a look on top. Ooh, a ball. Try to catch it. Look, a well-stocked pantry. And plenty of plants to nibble on. After all that fun, it's time for a nap. But the best part about a closet is that it's great for hiding stuff. Also helps if your cat's a magician. Ah, cats. It's their world. We're just living in it.